Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Car First Aid Kits is probably one of the most important safety features you can have in your vehicle, providing peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected accidents or injuries on the road. From minor cuts and scrapes to more serious emergencies, having the right supplies readily available could mean the difference between a quick recovery and a much more serious situation. This video will guide you through selecting the best car first aid kit for your needs and budget, ensuring you're prepared for anything. Number 5. Thrive First Aid Kit. It's fully equipped with 291 pieces of hospital-grade medical supplies. Everything you need for minor injuries and emergencies is right here. This kit contains high-quality medical gear, ensuring you have what you need when facing unexpected situations. It's perfect for home, travel, or any adventure. Whether you're at home, camping, or traveling, it's ready for anything. It's lightweight and portable, so it's easy to take with you wherever you go. The durable case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Multiple inner pockets make finding what you need quick and simple. It's your reliable companion for unexpected situations, at home, in the office, or on the go. Peace of mind wherever life takes you. It's perfect for schools, businesses, and family outings. It provides peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for anything. It meets ANSI and OSHA standards and is FSA and HSA approved. It's made in a modern, sterile facility, ensuring quality and safety. What we like. It has a wide variety of supplies for all sorts of situations. If you need a kit that's fully stocked and ready for anything, this is it. This comprehensive kit is perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants to be prepared for any emergency. What people say. The bag itself was a nice size. It's not outrageously big, but it's also not so small that you'd have a hard time locating it in a car or in your house. As I picked up the bag, I was impressed with the water-repellent material it's made of. It doesn't look like it's going to fall apart within a week or even a year or more. I unzipped the bag with ease and found the zipper to be sturdy. It opens very smoothly. The 3 compartments that make up the bag are of decent size and allow space if you'd like to add additional items to your bag. There is going to be plenty of room in this bag for those additional items. This pouch is a semi-rigid fabric shell, to keep things from crushing, has decent, easy-open zippers, pockets for organizing, and the bright red color stands out. Number 4. J&J All-Purpose Kit. It's the ultimate portable first aid kit, perfect for any emergency. It has everything you need to handle minor injuries, wherever you are. With 160 pieces, it's fully stocked for cuts, scrapes, burns, and more. You'll be prepared for anything. This kit includes cleansing wipes, bandages of all sizes, antibiotic cream, and pain relievers. Everything you need is right here. It features a variety of Band-Aid brand adhesive bandages and other first aid essentials for all your minor wound care needs. It also contains full-size Neosporin for infection prevention and pain relief, and Benadryl to soothe itchy rashes and insect bites. You'll also find Tylenol, a cold pack, and even gloves for added protection and pain relief. It's truly comprehensive. This compact kit is ideal for home, car, travel, camping, and more. Take it anywhere and always be prepared. The durable box keeps everything organized and easily accessible, so you can find what you need quickly in an emergency. What we like. It's small enough to fit anywhere, but still has everything you need for minor injuries. If you are looking for a convenient and reliable kit for everyday use, this is a great option. The familiar brand name ensures quality and peace of mind. What people say. The portable compact size is like a magician's trick. It's like this kit can fit into any bag or pocket, ready to be your handy helper wherever you go. Contains most basic first aid needs including bandages, gauze, and antibiotic ointment. It is lightweight and contains the most useful products. Number 3. Medi 2-in-1 Kit. This 2-in-1 kit is your comprehensive solution for all first aid needs. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for any situation. It's packed with 258 hospital-grade items, ensuring you're prepared for virtually any injury or emergency. Everything is organized for easy access. The durable, yet lightweight bag is designed to withstand the rigors of daily life. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or storage in your car. Keep it in your car, home, or bag, it's always there when you need it. It's perfect for adults and children. It's made with the highest quality materials, exceeding safety standards. You can trust it to be there when you need it. With this kit, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're prepared for unexpected situations. It's a valuable asset for any home or vehicle. What we like. This kit gives you two kits in one, offering both a comprehensive and a smaller, portable option. If you value versatility and durability, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for those who need a kit for both home and on-the-go use. What people say. This is a very, very nice first aid kit with lots of useful not useless items in it. Everything you see in the listing is in this kit, new and sealed. Everything you'll need for a first aid emergency except surgical, of course, is in here to tend to wounds and injuries. This kit has what you need for 90% of issues you are likely to face, but I would add a few items. A self-adhering compress wrap or two for sprained ankles, a tourniquet for worst-case scenarios when someone could bleed out, and quick clot to stop bleeding. Otherwise, this kit is very good at providing useful supplies and in good amounts. I especially think the mini kit is a good addition and also very capable. Number 2. First Aid Only 91248. It meets OSHA standards, ensuring you have the right supplies for any workplace emergency. This comprehensive kit is ready to handle a wide range of injuries. It's perfect for your business, home, or car. Keep it handy for minor cuts, burns, and other common mishaps. It's fully stocked with 260 essential pieces, enough to help up to 50 people. You'll find everything from bandages to antiseptic wipes. The durable plastic case keeps everything neatly organized and easy to find. Its slide latches make accessing supplies quick and simple. The clear cover and individual compartments allow for quick identification and access to needed supplies. It's designed for efficient use in any emergency. It's ideal for homes, offices, vehicles, or anywhere you need reliable first aid. Keep it in your car, at work, or at home for peace of mind. This kit is eligible for use with HSA and FSA accounts, making it a smart and cost-effective way to prepare for unexpected injuries. Prioritize your safety and well-being. What we like. It meets strict safety standards and is perfect for larger groups or workplaces. If you need a kit that meets specific regulations and keeps supplies neatly organized, this is the one. This kit is ideal for businesses, schools, or large families. What people say. Has a little bit of everything. Easy to carry around and functions like a small briefcase full of quality first aid items. I especially appreciate that the kit comes in a sturdy, compact case that's easy to store in a car, home, or emergency kit. The dividers inside keep everything organized, making it easy to find what you need quickly. This is a good household or on-the-go first aid kit. Good for basic needs: cuts, burns, and lacerations. Number 1. Surviveware Premium Kit. It's packed with 98 first aid supplies to handle minor injuries. You'll also find a CPR mask and a handy first aid guide inside. Finding what you need is quick and easy. Everything is clearly labeled and neatly organized, so there's no more searching during an emergency. It's completely waterproof, thanks to its durable material and watertight zippers. You can even submerge it for 30 minutes at a depth of 1 meter. Weighing only 1 pound, it's perfect for travel. The mall straps let you easily attach it to a backpack or bag. It was created by adventurers, for adventurers. Rest assured, it's a reliable companion for your next outdoor adventure. It's also an FDA-registered medical device and FSA/HSA eligible. What we like. It's completely waterproof and can withstand even the harshest conditions. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or live in an area prone to severe weather, this is a must-have. Its compact size and durable construction make it perfect for any adventure. What people say. The waterproof and durable case instills confidence that the contents will stay protected in any weather condition. The organization of supplies is impeccable, with clearly labeled compartments making it easy to locate what is needed in a hurry. The inclusion of high-quality medical essentials, from sterile bandages and trauma shears to an emergency blanket and CPR kit, showcases the thoughtfulness and thoroughness of Surviveware. It's small enough to store and carry around, it won't fit in your pocket like some other that are pictured bigger than they are. The inside has clearly labeled compartments for all included first aid accessories. There is also an area for personal and other medications. All well laid out and easy to access. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.